Hi everybody, Asong Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my outfit today. And now I'm wearing my anklet and also my toe ring. So for today's video, I already have my red toenail polish and we're only going to retouch it. So we add additional color. So it's red, so I'm going to add red to make it nice and fresh again. So just enjoy watching, and then later on I'm going to make some videos, a short video. So it's really nice, only the side of my nails is dry. So we're going to make a walking video. So now I'm using my new camera. So I try to speak slower if it will work. I love this camera. It looks like with filter. It's very bright. Bright and smart. So my dog wants to go outside. Barbie, stay here lang. So it's red. Oh, I bumped yesterday. But then all is good. My dog wants to go out. Enjoy watching. So I'm going to color my nails. Those who wants to donate shoes, you can message me to my Gmail. It's in the description. And later on, I'm going to try on some of my heels. So now it's red nails. So for my new followers, if you don't understand my English, you can always find someone else. I'm not good in English, so this is all I can offer to you guys. Or else I speak in my own language, Bisaya. So in that way you don't understand me. Okay, we're almost done here and we're going to finish it with a top coat. So this is soft gel. My dog wants to go out. So from pink to red. Okay, and then it's kind of dense here. So then the top coat, it's white, transparent. So this week I have more time to make more videos, and also with my new car later on, but for now I do it slowly because I'm still working on the papers of my car for the transfer. Title transfer or ownership. So I'm almost done here, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and I feel the raindrops. So it's finished. I'm done. I'm gonna walk with the flip-flops that I'm wearing now. So it's brown, you see it already. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna walk with the flip-flops. I cannot wear closed shoes because so wet. So for now, just wait. Okay. This brown flip-flops, I'm wearing this one. I wear this one with my custom video. So I have to do it slowly. Yes. Okay. But first I'm gonna show you the color. Okay, and it's time